trap of social media noise, and what happens when we put a number on something, people want to make that number go up, and we start to lose sight of what we're actually trying to achieve and the influence that we can have, because instead our objective and our focus are all about changing the numbers and making them go upward, when really they've got no direct link or correlation to having influence or more influence, and if anything it actually detracts from it. You turn signal into noise, and what your focus should be is to provide value to your audience in a similar way to these videos that I'm doing for everyone. And I'm not trying to give advice, I'm not trying to say I'm an expert in anything, it's just someone who is learning and going through life, and as I go along I can sort of share, and I love to learn, and this is a great platform for me to be able to pass those messages on. And many of you over the past few months have really become more and more engaged in this content, and it's meant that I've got messages, it meant that I've got more and more feedback, and it's meant that I've built a small tribe of people who actually care about the content that I'm putting out, and that's why I do it. So there's always going to be people who don't like it, there's always going to be people who can point fingers and say whatever they like, and that's not of any consequence to me. It doesn't worry me, because they're not the people that I'm trying to reach with this. So don't think that there is any correlation or link between influence and the number of people that is in your audience, because there's no correlation, there's no link, and you're focusing on the wrong metrics. Just focus on the few, be yourself, and that's how you're going to get ahead. So just continue to spread your message to your audience. Don't worry about the naysayers and the people who have got critical things to say, because they're not your audience. And just focus on the good stuff, the people, and take on all the feedback, because none of it's bad. Keep evolving, shifting, and it's a marathon, not a sprint. So just keep providing value, and consistency is going to be your greatest friend. Keep at it day by day, chipping away, and the more content that you put out, the more messages that you're able to share with your audience, and the more value you can deliver, then that is how you build influence and get to where you want to go. Do you agree that more noise is not better noise? If so, I'd love to hear your thoughts below, and if not, I'd also love to hear your thoughts below. So comment and share your thoughts. Hopefully this video can help you to be yourself, be your best self, and put the content that you want to put out there in 2018 and beyond. If you want to stay up to date with more tips like this, then follow my accounts at Bridge Inbound Marketing. I'm Tom Bailey, and thank you for watching.